Okay, can you kind of tell me, Mike, what a little bit about what was going on down here, and then...
We had a tree fell in the backyard and crushed a couple of vehicles, and there was a mother and 4 kitten cats trapped under the tree. We've been out here trying to get them out, free them up.
That limb right there, maybe?
Yay!
Okay, so just tell me your name.
My name is Joanne Snyder.
Okay, can you spell it, please?
S-N-Y-D-E-R.
Okay, Joanne, can you tell me a little bit about what actually just happened here?
Well, we were serving food under the tent, and it started to get very black and very windy, and the wind started going and the rain started pelting, but we were all just, continuing to do our job until this huge tree fell in the background, and once everybody saw the branches, we just all ran into the pavilion, and it was bedlam.
That's your car, Tony?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my car.
Was.
Yeah.
Hey, here's my mailbox. You got more than 5
Can
billion?
you picture about that? I only have one more payment on my car. Oh my God.